Yo, what's up, good people? It's your main man, Cortez Coach Thornton, your favorite fatherpreneur, also known as a financial health mentor and founder of Thornton Business Academy. Today's short video, we're going to talk about how easy it is to fix your own credit with MyEcon's do-it-yourself credit repair system. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so I'm in my MyEcon back office, and I'm going to show you how simple it is. I know the credit repair industry has made it really seem like fixing your own credit, sending out your dispute letters is some mystical process, right? But it's very, very simple, and MyEcon makes it very easy. So basically, I'm in my MyEcon back office, and if you want to get this product, what I love about MyEcon is the product is $99.95 one time, so 100 bucks. And then if you're an affiliate, you make up to $50 per sale in commission, or if you become an affiliate, you pay $47.90 to start, then $35 per month to maintain your affiliate account. You, of course, get to access the product yourself, fix your own credit, but you can also refer other affiliates where you earn passive and residual income off their production, and you can still sell the product a la carte and make up to $50 per sale. So let me jump into my BMC home. Basically, I'm just going to go into my income shifting membership, because you got to know this about MyEcon. Although we tend to lead with credit repair, MyEcon is about more than just credit repair. But we'll get into that in another video. So I'm going to go into my smart credit system. I'm going to allow that to open up. And as you can see right here, there's a nice intro video that plays, but I'm going to go ahead and log into the 750 credit plan. And guys, I'm going to show you these 609 letters are already done. It's very easy for you to get this thing cracking. So there is the 750 credit plan, 26 do-it-yourself video modules. I'm going to skip right down to module 5, how to remove negative payment histories. I'm going to open up that module. And then when I scroll down, I'm going to check out the 609 dispute letters. You can do it, open it in PDF. But since I'm going to edit this right now, I'm going to go ahead and open it in a docx file. That way it's going to allow me to go ahead and edit this thing right here before your eyes, show you how simple it is. Now, if you do not have your credit reports, then module 1 and 2 will show you how to go to annualcreditreport.com, print out your own credit report, and you'll be good to go, because you'll need the account numbers for the creditors that you're going to be disputing. But again, the system walks you through all of that, man. It's bananas how simple this is. And why would someone pay $500 then $100 a month? Why would somebody pay $300 down then $100 a month, when you can pay $100 one time, or you can become an affiliate and pay $47.90 to start, then $35 per month? Most of these credit repair companies, they're going to prepare the letters, and then they're going to turn around and send the letters to you so that you can then send them off. Well, if you're doing the heavy lifting, then you might as well understand how to do this stuff yourself. And what's cool, when you have an educational mindset, then whenever you need to fix your credit or get new credit or any of that kind of stuff, then you can actually do that on your own without needing any additional assistance or going back to paying someone else how to do this. So I'm going to have to enable editing. Now I have my Word doc open. So let's see, I'm just going to bring this up a little bit as it continues to open. So again, gives you the instructions on what to do on the dispute letters. You guys can read that on your own. I'm just going to go and show you how easy it is to edit these letters. So here's the first dispute letter. Everything in red you need to change, right? So in this case, scroll down a little bit. Let's see if I can make this a little bit bigger. I guess I can open it all the way up. All right. So basically, they laid it out for you. So Everything in red needs to change. H. Cortez, financial health mentor. My address is 123 White House Drive. My zip code is St. Louis, Missouri, 63031. And then I will put my social in. That's important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then my date of birth is 1170. And then I want to put today's date, which is the 27th, 2018. Then you're going to put the credit bureau's address in here. Now, naturally, there's 3 credit bureaus, so you're going to do this 3 times. So what I'll do is I'll go back to the Smart Money Kit, and I believe it is module 4 that lists their the credit reporting agency's addresses. So, Fair Credit Reporting Act. Let me see where the addresses are. There they are. So in module 4, it gives me Equifax's address, Experian's address, and TransUnion. So I can copy that. Go back over to my dispute letter. Paste that in there. Bang. And I'm going to put that space back down. So now this letter is me. Got my name, social, address, and date of birth, the 4 elements that the bureaus need to see. Then all I have to do is come down here and say, okay, here is creditor number 1, Sprint, account number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And why do I need this to be, what do I want them to do? I want them to provide verification. Why? Because as of now, you got this on my report, and you had not shown me any verification. So this is an unverified account. So I'm going to do another one. This might be Chase Visa account 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, you're getting the account numbers from your credit report. So that's where the account number will come from. And then I might do creditor, and this might be Blue Whale Collections. And then that's the account number. And then if all I have is those 3 collections, then what you can do is you can go down here and I really wanted to delete these boxes. Let me see. There we go. So if I right click, then I can delete this entire row because you want it to look nice and neat, right? Then I can highlight these 2 rows together, right click, delete cells, delete entire rows is what I want to do. Bang. So now got my accounts that I want to challenge in here. Now some of you guys might have more, 10, 12. We don't typically do more than 20 in one single letter. And again, how do I know that? Because if I go up here, it says, do not dispute more than 22 derogatory items at one time. Otherwise, the credit bureaus might mark your disputes as frivolous. So you don't do them all at one time. All right, so now I got that in there. I got my account number in there. And then it says basically you need to print your name here. H. Cortez. Financial Health Mentor. And then this is the place for your signature. And if you're going to go get a notarized, which I recommend, it is not required, but I do recommend, you're going to need to come down into this display space and go ahead and type your name in here as well. Tis Financial Health Mentor, bang, and then you're going to go ahead, and that's it, guys. The rest of the forms or goes to dispute letters number 2, number 3, and 4. So what I'm going to do, guys, is if you want to grab the MyEcon Smart Credit System for $99.95 one time, I'm going to put a link in the description below. All you got to do is check it out for yourself. But this is pretty much it. I print this out. Now, I would do it 3 times over. I would come back in here. Everything stays the same, but I would come back in here and switch this out to TransUnion, print that one, switch this out to Experian, and print that one, because you need to send to all 3 credit bureaus at the same time. So all you got to do is click on the link in the description. You can learn more about the MyEcon system. I do a whole presentation on how this whole thing works, and then you can buy the system right there, whether you want it for yourself for $99.95 or whether you want it for want to become an affiliate for $47.90 to start, then $34.95 per month. You'll join my team. I will help you build your business and your brand around credit repair. You can even clone the very funnel that I'm going to send you that you're going to click through. You can actually clone my exact funnels. You can use this video in your presentations. You can use this video on your YouTube channels, in your Facebook marketing, all of that stuff, guys. I really help my team win when they join. So again, just to show you really quickly how easy it is to fix your own credit when you're dealing with the Smart Money Kit, all you do is download your letter from the Smart Money Kit system. Here, I went into the modules. Here, module number 5 is where the dispute letters actually live. And then you go down here, you can download your dispute letter. I recommend DocX because you can edit it. As you can see, I was able to edit real quickly. And then once you got your letters downloaded, all you got to do is go and read the instructions here. It tells you what to do, what not to do. And then here's what you change. Everything is red, needs to be changed. And then you print it and be prepared to get this thing notarized and send it off. And you need to send 2 forms of identification with your form. So a copy of your driver's license and maybe, I don't know, social security card or a bill that represents your address or something to that effect. But that's it, man. But let me go back and show you guys what separates the MyEcon Smart Money Kit from everything else on the market. So that was module 5. I'm actually going to go back. The reason we are so different and so effective is because these modules not only address negative payment history, that's 35% of your score, but we address all 100% of your score because you need to understand credit utilization. Let me go back where you can get the list of the modules and their names. Now, I just want to show you really quickly. So we also address credit utilization. How do you reduce that? How do you add credit history, which is 10% of your score? How do you get new credit? Credit history is 15% of your score. How do you get new credit, which is 10% of your score? How do you get a good credit mixture, which is another 10% of your score? Right? Credit utilization is 30%. So we address the entire FICO score. Then we give you our income shifting module. In this module, you will get an introduction into the income shifting strategy and learn how it lowers your credit utilization by giving you a boost in your take-home pay on your job. Now you got the money you need to start paying down your credit cards and your other debts if you want to pay that stuff off. So we actually address the entire credit score, not just negative payment history. So let me look you in your eye on this one and show you what I mean. All right, guys, so you can see in less than 15 minutes, we've got your credit dispute letters prepared. All you got to do is notarize them puppies, send them off with 2 copies of your some sort of identification, whether it's a driver's license, passport, social security card, whatever, 2 forms of ID. It's listed in the actual directions on what it is that you need to do. So the Smart Money Kit from MyEcon is the truth, y'all. My credit score is up over 100 points, and this is after recently filing a bankruptcy. So I mean, bananas. I'm at right at 580 something, 590 something. So imagine coming from basically in your 300s after you file bankruptcy because you start over, and I'm already near 600. And once I go through this other process of getting me some new trade lines in terms of installment loans, which we teach you in our system how to get new credit, I will be at 700 probably in the next 30 days or so. So that's unheard of to go from basically no credit after bankruptcy to 700, 750 in less than 6 months, guys. If you're serious about your credit and you're looking for a system to get you to where you want to be in terms of your credit score, the MyEcon Smart Credit System is the truth. If you want to make some extra money in the credit space, the credit repair industry is $80 billion per year. I will teach you how to build a robust business with all of your branding, your marketing, how to brand yourself, how to attract leads to you, how to use sales funnels. We got you covered, man. All you got to do is plug into the team. So the links are below for you to check out what we got going on. I don't know what else to say, man. But again, I'm H. Cortez, also known as a financial health mentor. Until I talk to you next time, get your money up because you absolutely can do it. But more importantly, you deserve to do it, each and every one of you. Hustle up.